Okay, this video will explain normal approximation to the Poisson distribution. Normal distribution can be used to estimate Poisson distribution also, and with the continuity correction factor plus minus 1/2. This is approximately equal with the normal approximate to binomial distribution. Alright. If x is a Poisson random variable with parameter lambda, then x can be approximated by a normal distribution with the mean mu equal to lambda and variance is equal to lambda. So, x Poisson distributed with lambda is approximate to x normal distribute to mean lambda and the variance also lambda. If the lambda greater than 0, so the normal distribution is a good approximation. Alright, so how you want to approximate the Poisson to normal? You need to use this formula, x minus lambda divided by standard deviation. Okay, so it is the same when you approximate the normal to approximate binomial. Alright, so you need to have the correction continuity factor plus minus 0.5. It is equal. You can refer to the previous video. Alright, let's look into example. Given that the number of worms in a square foot of garden soil follows a Poisson distribution with a mean of 12 worms, therefore your lambda is 12. The first question, if a square foot of garden is soil analyzed, what is the probability that less than 6 worms are found? And the second question, if 3 patch of a square foot garden soil is analyzed, what is the probability that less than 28 worms are found? So first, let x be the number of worms in a square foot of garden soil, and lambda the mean number of worms in a square foot garden soil is equal to 12. So x Poisson distribute with lambda, which is 12, approximate to the normal distribute lambda, which is the mean 12 and the variance also 12. So the first question, x distribute the probability, the Poisson 10 approximate to normal distribute 10. So the probability, the number of worm is less than 6. By using the continuity correction, 6 minus 0.5, so you need to find the probability x less or equal 5.5. Approximate to the normal distribution, 5.5 minus 12 divided by square root of 12. So you will find the probability of z less or equal to negative 1.88. Since our statistical table only covered the positive sides and 0.5, so it is actually equal to the probability of z greater or equal than 1.88. From the normal table, you will have the value probability of z greater or equal to 1.88 is 0.0301. Second question, if 3 patch of a square foot garden soil is analyzed, what is the probability that less than 28 worms are found? So now you have 3 patch of 1 square. The first question only 1 square foot. Alright, so x is the number of worms in 3 patch of 1 square foot of garden soil. You need to multiply the mean with the 3 patch. So your lambda now is 36. Then x Poisson distributed with 36 approximate to the normal distributed mean 36 and variance 36. Now the question asks you to find the probability that the number of worms less than 28 found in 3 patch of 1 square foot. So by using the continuity correction, 28 minus 0.5, you need to find the probability of x less or equal 27.5. Approximate to the normal standard distribution, 27.5 minus 36 divided by square root of 36. Then you will find the value of probability of z less or equal negative 1.42. And we know that it is equal to probability of Z greater or equal 1.42. So what is the area of probability Z greater equal than 1.42? From the normal table, you will find the value of probability to find the number of worm less than 28 in 3 patch of 1 square foot soil garden is 0.0778. Second example. An employee at Petronas reported that on average 20 customers bought petrol at a new 24-hour gas station every 30 minutes. What is the probability that there are at least 60 customers in the next 2 hours? So you can see that 20 customers every 30 minutes. Now you need to find the probability at least 60 customers in the next 2 hours. So the time interval is 2 hours. Now, let X be the number customer in 2 hours. 30 minutes 20. Therefore, for 2 hours, 20 minus 4. Because within 2 hours, we have 4 30 minutes. So 20 times 4 is 80 customers in 2 hours. So approximate from Poisson to the normal distribution. The probability of X greater or equal to 60 by using continuity correction, 60 minus 0.5. So the probability of X greater than equal 59.5. Approximate to the normal distribution. 59.5 minus mean divided by standard deviation. Then you need to find the probability of Z greater or equal negative 2.29. So convert to the right side. 1 minus probability Z greater equal to 2.29. So from the table, you will find the value is 0.01101. So the total area is 1 minus with 0.01101. So the probability of having customer greater or equal to 60 is 0.9890.